Legendary Broly. Full power. So this is from the 8th anniversary Legends. I think it's a new image. I'm not sure. It looks familiar, but like a lot of the Broly images kind of look like this anyway. So let's draw this though. So head in here, I'll zoom in. Got a massive hand. So like extreme perspective thing going on. So we'll zoom in to his head and just start with his frowns. So his frowning sort of W shape that he has in the middle of his forehead. Just this sort of pitchfork kind of shape, and then out from there we go for the first eyebrow. Curving out. Check mark sort of shape. Curves down. And then we get a square end. And then it comes back down and it gets smaller. So it curves down and it gets skinnier as it comes down. Now this might go under his hair a little bit, but we'll draw it in anyway first. On the other side, it kind of goes more vertical. So it goes like up this way. And then down. So they're not exactly the same both sides. This one kind of touches his frown a bit more. So we have some frown lines just above, and he's like, you know, got veins and he's losing his mind. So there's lots of this stuff, like veiny lines and stuff in there. Do 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 do. So then his eyes, so a long line here, short line here, and then you curve those together, and then we do the same over this side. And he's no pupils because he's berserk, sort of going crazy. Cheek lines, so underneath here. As usual with all Dragon Ball drawings. And then the nose. So we get this sort of a hook sort of shape. And then we get the shadow of the other side, or the bridge of his nose kind of drawn in there. And then his mouth, so big open mouth, roaring sort of shape, right? So it comes right out from underneath his, like he has a mustache kind of out from underneath his nose. And then we curve down the side. Like some mouth lines just on the edge. And then we get his teeth, so big white teeth here. And then the tongue. And then teeth in at the back. And you can see the back of his throat in there and everything. And you got a bottom lip. And then his chin, real close to that bottom lip. So his jaw. That way. This one out this way. And then we change direction up to the hair, sort of beside the eyebrow. And then on this side, that sort of way. He's got a scar on his face here as well. And then we get his hair. So we got like a V here in the middle. And then we get these big hair spikes, right, coming out this way. Two in the front at first. This one then going that way. And then his hairline, I think, just goes there. And then there's another hair spike coming down this way. Yep, and another one here. So these are his fore and his fringe, and then we can just see his ears kind of underneath all this. And then one here. So, right, massive big green Super Saiyan hair. So real big, all the way to the top of my page pretty much, like it goes. So Dragon Ball hair is like a kind of candle flame, gets wide at the sides and then goes into a point, sort of in the middle up here somewhere. So we start with the small ones. They get wider and wider as we go up. So we'll just go on this side first. Right, and there's a big one in the middle. And down the other side. There. And then here. And then there's like a couple in the middle. So there's a couple that come across the center line of his head. And yeah, and then textures. So you just like track each hair spike kind of with some texture lines like this. So that's his head, right? So I think we probably got to deal with this hand first before we attach it to his body, right? Because it's all about the hand that's kind of reaching out. So it's massive. It takes up like all this space. So the thumb is here. Okay, that's the top of the thumb. And then the bumps for the thumb come around this way. Two sort of bumps like that. And the knuckle is above this sort of joined area. And then we bump around here for the palm of the hand, right? So your palm of your hand always has this bump. And then the index finger comes up and then we swerve around this way. So the index finger comes up this way. And like each finger will curve down, sort of follow this line down this way. So that's his index finger. You've sort of the curves from underneath. And then the fingernails. So the fingernails really make it look like fingers. And the next one. Then add the fingernail. his ring finger. Down around there. And then this one. The pinky just sticks down the most out of all of them. Okay, so floating head, floating hand. So we got to sort of attach things now. Right, so maybe deal with this section first. So his chest, the center line of his chest kind of comes down from his chin, right? So we got like this big bump for the center of the chin, and then this curves, center of the chest, right? And it curves around here. So you got a nipple there, right? So that's like his chest line. The top of the chest, like he's huge, right? So that's like the top of his chest. And then he has an X scar here. Right, and there's probably some, like some necklines and stuff in here. And like the start of his shoulder. Because like his arm goes back and then in. So there's some details in there. And then his other big pectoral, big pec muscle comes up this way into the center, and you get like muscle fiber lines and all that there. So we can just see sort of like some abs in between his waistband and the abs. So you get this like fur thing that he wears, kind of tied in the middle. I'm gonna sneeze. Oh, no, it's gone. Sorry. I hope I edit that out. If I don't, sorry. So this is like the tied part. Thought I was gonna sneeze. And then it's all this fur hair, sort of ripped, kind of old fabric, going back this way. And then it goes around his waist. Sort of both sides like that. And you should probably see some abs, but they're kind of hard. So let's say like here, we'll do maybe 2 bumps and then like some abdominals coming around. Like that. And I think he's got another scar here. And then the rest of this sort of fur that's wrapped around sort of his body, sort of. It's just all wrapped around his waist, just zigzag lines. And then we can just see like his sort of purple legs going down this way. That's his chest. This is even his chest. Okay, so that's sort of the lower half of his body. So we gotta like do this hand now. So it kind of, the arm, everything's foreshortened. What that means is, as this limb sort of comes towards the camera, everything back here seems stumpy and kind of round and short, right? So say like his arm, everything kind of curves around here. So it goes up and around. Right, so that's like his whole forearm. So it's just like this round shape. And then he has a white sort of rim on it there. And the idea is we're going to get to the elbow and then go down to the shoulder. So his shoulder is like all in here. So we can see like the top of the shoulder, this sort of square sort of shape. And then that way there's like some veins and stuff and on the arm. So we got to fit his tricep and his bicep in this skinny part, and then his shoulder in there. So it's all these bumpy round lines, right? And like his shoulder sort of comes out from in between those, his bicep and his... There's a scar, I think, on his bicep. And then his big shoulder sort of goes back. It's tricky now getting, you know, all these in the right place, so take your time. And I think he has another scar here. And like again, some sort of like veins on his shoulders even. Right, and then so his other arm comes out and down here to a hand, like in a different position to what we just drew, and it's much smaller. So I think it comes out between these. This goes out this way to his elbow, and sort of down to his forearm. And then we go around. It's like some forearm muscle lines and stuff here. And then this white sort of rim that he has on his forearm. Like that. And then his hand. So we get his thumb. Come around here. Is that finger? That is middle finger. Okay, I'm not sure, so we'll go this way. It's like this. And then we go there. Another sort of knuckle that way. Back there. And then we can see some of the fingers just hanging down in between. Kind of like that. So that hand is probably tricky, but it's so small it's hard to see all the anatomy on it. But that's it, I think. Full Power Broly from Legends. This is like, I think it's the 8th anniversary image, this one. It's a cool one. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.